This project had two goals really, and one was to restore giant sequoia habitat and really improve the health of the giant sequoias in this grove for future generations. And the second goal was to improve the experience that visitors have when they come to the grove. We had an old parking lot, and unfortunately that parking lot was located right amongst the trees, right amongst the giant sequoias. And we also had old abandoned roads that came through the grove with asphalt, again, right on tops of roots and very close to the trunks of these giant sequoias. One of the things we wanted to improve for the visitor experience was a more quiet experience when they got off the shuttle bus. There was a lot of activity there. We had a gift shop, there were delivery trucks, there were buses, there were cars, horns honking, and that was the experience you were in when you arrived at the Grove. It's been a great honor for me to be able to work on this project. We've been trying to work in the Mariposa Grove for many years, and we just didn't have the funding to do it. So through the Yosemite Conservancy's support, this is like a dream come true in that we're able to really restore this grove for future generations. It all brings a very warm feeling to my heart. And I think we're going to see the benefits of this project for years and years to come.